Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Managing multiple versions of Python on macOS can be crucial for developers who work on various projects with different Python versions. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to uninstall and manage multiple versions of Python on OS X 10.10.3, Yosemite, with code examples. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to check which Python versions are currently installed on your system. This will display the default Python versions for Python 2 and Python 3. To uninstall a specific Python version, you can use the Brew package manager or manually remove it. If you don't have Homebrew installed, you can install it by following the instructions at brew.sh. To install a specific Python version. To switch between versions, use the brew switch command. Pyenv is a popular tool to manage multiple Python versions. It's good practice to use virtual environments for Python projects. They allow you to isolate dependencies for different projects. After uninstalling and managing Python versions, you can clean up leftover files. Managing multiple Python versions on macOS is essential for development. Whether you use Homebrew or tools like Pyenv, having the ability to switch between versions and create virtual environments will streamline your workflow. ChatGPT